So in this video I'm going to show you how you can download any image inside from your Google Docs. There is no way that you can save an image by just right clicking on it. So there is some tips how you can follow and download any image from your Google Docs. The first way to download any image is just go to file and export it as a complete HTML file. To do this, just go to download and just go here, web page. So once you click on it, it will generate a web page from this document and export as a zip file. So if you open the zip file, you will see there is an option that called image. There is a new folder holding all the image that inside these Google documents. So if you just go to the image folder and open the image, as we have only one image in our document, if you have more images, you will see all the images, and that's why you can see that this image is here. So by this way you can just save it on your documents, on your file or desktop, anywhere you want. You can just download it. The next way is to save this image in your Google Keep. To do this, just right click on the image, go to more action and go to save to keep. So when you click on save to keep, it will automatically save inside your keep. Now if you want to right click, now you can do it. So you can just right click on the image and you can save the image, or you can just open the image in new tab. So I'm going to save the image as, or if you want you can just open the image in new tab. So once you open the image in new tab, just right click and save image as. Now you can save the image anywhere you want. So this is the second method, and there is one more method that is very quick and very easy, and that is just press Windows key, Shift and S at the same time from your keyboard, and you will see the snipping tool inside your desktop, and just crop the image part using the snipping tool. So I'm just going to select this and crop it like this. So by this way it will automatically take a screenshot using the snipping tool, and you will get the image option to save it. If you want to just crop it, you can just again crop it any way you want. You can just save it, and just once you are done with your cropping, you can just save image, just right clicking here and save it anywhere you want. So this was the 3 easiest way to save any images from Google Docs. I hope this video helped to save your images from Google Docs. So if you learned something new, please hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will be sharing more cool tips and tricks for Google Docs, and also some daily tips and tricks. So thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.